Sa mapagpalang araw po sa ating lahat. Ako po si Brian B. Mendoza at ito po ang aking daily devotion ngayong araw, July 24, 2025. Ngayong araw po natin ito ang ating series which is a seminary edition. Specifically, ang topic po natin for this day is about perfection. So, kaano po kaganda ang plano ng Diyos. Now, ang ating talata po ay magagana sa Deuteronomy chapter 32 verse 4. Sabi po dito, "The rock, his work is perfect, for all his ways are justice. God of faithfulness and without iniquity, just and upright is he." Now, upang ating mas maunawaan kung ibig sabihin ng talatang ito, upang mas maintindihan natin ating devotion, ngayon po tayo dadako sa ating mga teachings for today. Una po, God is perfectly good and altogether lovely. God is completely good and wala pong mali pagdating sa kanya kasi He is perfect in terms of loving, in terms of kindness, every way that we can imagine. He is perfect. So when we see how good God really is, talagang normal na mas mamahalin pa natin siya at kikilalanin pa natin siya. Ikalawa po, God is perfect in wisdom and power. Alam po ng lahat ng Diyos. He never makes mistakes and He has all the power to do whatever He wants. And wala pong makakalampas sa Diyos. Lahat po ay alam ng Diyos kung ano ang mga bagay na iniisip natin, mga ginagawa natin. Wala tayong matatago sa Diyos. Ikatlo po, God is forming Christ in us toward perfection. Hindi pa po ang Diyos natatapos sa atin. He is always working on our hearts para mas maging Christ-like yung buhay natin. So, darating po araw when we're with Him together, we'll be perfect too, just like what He has planned for us. Ngayon po tayo dadako sa ating application. So, ito po yung mga dapat natin gawin after natin malaman ang ating devotion. Una po, worship God and be like God. So, since God is so good and lovely, nararapat lang na i-worship natin siya. Not just through singing, but sa pamumuhay natin in a way na nakakapag-glorify sa Kanya. Ikalawa po, imitate Jesus as God sanctifies us. So, habang binabago tayo ng Diyos, we should try to follow Jesus' example. And last but not least po, trust God's wisdom and power. So, when life gets hard or when life gets confusing, tandaan po natin that God is wise and powerful. He knows what He's doing. So,